eFootball 2024 How to Play with Friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can play eFootball 2024 with your friends. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say you have a friend somewhere else and then you want to play your eFootball 2024 game. Now the process is the same both for the mobile as well as the PC and console version as well, because the game has pretty much become the same these days. Now what you want to do is to begin playing the match. Of course, go to the Dream Team match option here, and then here you'll find the option known as friend match. So just select friend match over here. Now when you select friend match, here you can see create a 1 versus 1 match room. But before that, you can also actually play with up to 6 players by creating a cooperative match room, but I'm going to skip that for now. In this case, I'm going to select create a 1 versus 1 match room here. Now if you'd like to set a password, you can do that, but I usually skip this process and then just hit the create option. Now what you need to do over here is basically, let's say that I want to invite my friend. Now I have created a match room and here you can see a match room number. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this number here. Once I copy this number over here, I simply need to send this number to my friend. So once I send this to my friend, let's just say that I am that friend, right? Now you don't want to close this match room. I'm only closing it to show you guys. Let's say I'm the friend who wants to join the match room and I already have the match room number. Your friend needs to go to the search match room option over here, as you can find it, and then just go ahead and paste the match room number that you copied here. And then once you send them the match room number, they hit the search button, they'll be able to see the match room you created. And once that process is done, you both will be able to play with each other by customizing a few settings. This way you'll be able to play eFootball 2024 with your friends. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.